Welcome back to Stoic Crypto. Today I want to test out BET, which is short for bullish on everything. It's the first predictions market on Solana. So we're going to go through the process of actually making a bet and see how that works. So stay tuned for that. So BET was released by Drift Protocol earlier this week. Drift is one of the top on-chain Solana trading platforms. And so you can see they posted this on August 19th, introducing BET, the first capital efficient predictions market on Solana. Bet bigger on the future, hedge on your unified platform, earn yield on your positions. Prediction markets are DeFi's next frontier, merging trading with real-world outcomes. So this is the first prediction market to launch on Solana. You've probably heard of Polymarket, which is on Polygon. This has grown in a big way this year with the elections coming up. Here are some analytics on Polymarket. You can see that the monthly volume has exploded. Active traders are way up. The daily volume is continuing to rise. We'll talk about some of the difference between Polymarket and what Drift is doing with BET on Solana in a little bit. So let's go through the process of testing BET out. On their X page, we're going to click through to app.drift.trade. We're going to go through the process from start to finish. I've never connected this Phantom wallet to Drift. So when you go to Drift, Phantom's going to pop up and you're going to say use Phantom. And then we're going to go ahead and connect. Acknowledge terms. We're going to use Phantom. Connect. Next step, we need to fund our account, and you can do that with a number of different tokens. Nice thing about Drift, they give you a lot of different options on how to fund your account. You can use USDC, Jupiter, Solana, all of these different tokens. So in this case, we're going to fund it with Jupiter, since that's what I have the most of in my wallet. And we'll just say 150, confirm deposit. So go ahead and confirm the deposit. All right, so we have funded our new Drift account, fully on-chain trading, right? So you can trade futures, you can trade Solana with leverage. If you are interested in trading on-chain with leverage, this is a great spot to do it. But in this case, we're gonna go to BET and test this out. So let's go to BET. So right now they have 3 different events that you can bet on. Will Donald Trump win the 2024 election? Will Kamala Harris win the popular vote? And then will the Fed cut rates? They've already hinted that they're gonna add more real-world events. As this just launched this week, it's brand new, but sports are coming as well as other things. So in this case, we're going to use this one. Will Donald Trump win the election? Nothing I say is financial advice. This is all for education, entertainment purposes only. So you can see right now, this one resolves on November 6th, which is election day. It has over $1 million in liquidity and open interest of 193K. The price to bet yes right now is at 51 cents. The price to bet no is at 48 cents. You can use a market order, which is going to buy it at the current price, which is 51 cents. Or you can use a limit order, which would place your bet at whatever price you determine. So let's say you think that's going to go down, you can say like 49 cents. So in this case, we're going to use a market order, just keep it simple. We're going to bet yes, and we're going to say max. It's going to get 121 shares at 51 cents cost per share. So then if we look down here, it's going to earn 310 fuel, which is Drift Protocol's rewards program. Don't know a ton about it yet, but I think it's similar to like Magic Eden with diamonds. You'll be able to claim these for prizes and other rewards. The more you use the protocol, whether it's using bets or using their perpetual trading platform, everything earns fuel. Estimated liquidation price, none, right? Since this is a bet that's going to resolve on election day, November 6th. Potential profit is $58. So if we hover over this, if your prediction is correct, the market will resolve at $1 value. Your profit per share will be the difference between your entry price and $1. So $58 is our potential profit. Our position is 121 shares, right? You can see 121 shares. So we're going to go ahead and say bet yes. Placing my bet. Phantom wallet will pop open. Go ahead and confirm it. Awaiting on-chain confirmation. So you can see I now have one position. I bet yes, 120 shares. That's my entry. There is no liquidation price since this is a bet, and it's that simple. And you can see up here, I've already earned 305 fuel rewards just for doing that. So if I click on this, you can see here is the total amount of fuel I've earned so far just on that one bet. And this is where you can learn more about what fuel is. You can see right here, coming soon, redeem fuel. So that's interesting. Let's go back to bet. If I click on orders, you'll see I have no open orders. History shows 4 minutes ago we placed that bet. So I see the potential of this taking off as they add more things to bet on. We have seen what's happened with meme coins on Solana. As the election gets closer, you could see this heating up even more. So it might be a good opportunity right now to jump in here and at least test it out. I just want to quickly go through a few highlights of this article by Unchained about BET. Predictions market, Polymarket, which has grown exponentially since the beginning of the year, is no longer the only game in town. Drift Protocol, known for its perpetual global futures trading platform rolled out its own Solana-based predictions market competitor, dubbed bullish on everything bet earlier this week, and has already experienced meaningful volume for its events. For now, users can bet on just 3 events, but more coming soon. The overlap between Drift's new prediction market and its origin as a derivatives trading platform gives Bet some advantages over Polymarket. Bet users can earn yield from the same assets dedicated to their bets on real-world outcomes, as well as place bets using different cryptocurrencies such as stablecoins, meme coins, or liquid staking tokens. By contrast, users on Polymarket can only place bets with USDC, and they are unable to earn yield from their assets used to place bets. So that's a huge difference. Again, I highly encourage you to read through this. I'll link to it in the video description below. So if this is of interest to you, I definitely recommend giving it a try, earn some fuel rewards, play around with it, as it often pays to be early with new things in crypto. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. See you in the next one.